Hi, I'm Dr. Carolyn Coker Ross. I'm an integrative medicine physician who specializes in treating eating disorders, addictions, and obesity. And I'm here today with Stephanie Small, and we're talking about busting myths about weight loss. Before we get started, Stephanie, can you tell us a little bit about your practice here in Colorado?
Sure. I'm a psychotherapist and holistic nutritionist, and I help women transform their relationship with food.
So do I.
Nice.
That's funny.
What a coincidence that
I
we're
know
both making
that
this
we're both
video.
here. Yeah. So the myth today that we're going to focus on is that carbs are bad. So a lot of people who are in the diet on the diet treadmill try to avoid all carbohydrates. What do you tell your patients who come in and say that they don't eat bread, they don't eat potatoes, blah blah?
Well, there is a big difference, first of all, in quality and type of carbs, right?
Yeah.
I mean, if you're in the grocery store and you're buying something in a box with all these colors on it, chances are that's a processed grain. And that means that all of the minerals are stripped out of it. It's certainly not organic. It might be genetically modified.
Absolutely. So the carbohydrates that we recommend are carbohydrates in their natural form. So things like barley. I've just started adding barley to a lot of my soups.
Nice.
And it's so easy. Brown rice, quinoa, and I told you my favorite is the quinoa burger, crunch burger, which actually originated here in Denver.
Did it?
Yeah. What are some of the other grains you recommend?
The one that I love on like a cold, damp day is oatmeal.
Oh,
And
yeah.
we're not talking about that instant oatmeal that's got all this added sugar and nasty stuff. I'm talking about steel-cut oatmeal. You add some like full-fat milk or raw milk and some maple syrup and nuts. It's so warming and soothing. And
add
fruit, yeah.
Yeah. So those are the carbohydrates that will help you in provide a lot of vitamins and minerals that your body needs. And we're going to be talking more about this kind of thing in our upcoming 5-week webinar called
Sometimes you need junk food, developing your personal eating style.
If you want to find out more information about our webinar, go to my website at www.carolynrossmd.com or
www.stephaniesmallhealth.com. That's Stephanie with a PH.
exactly. Until next time, stay healthy.